Invasive pests are ravaging the entire planet, destroying crops, spreading pathogens, consuming fish that humans rely on for food, and driving native plants and animals to extinction. According to a major United Nations report, ArrowRight Landmark assessment revealed that 3,500 harmful invasive species cost society more than $423 billion annually. This amount is expected to increase as the modern era of global trade and travel continues to accelerate the spread of plants and animals across continents ever before. Exotic species hitchhike cargo ships and passenger jets, bridging oceans, mountain ranges, and other geographic chasms that would be insurmountable without human assistance. The result is that the planet's flora and fauna are thrown into a mess with dire consequences for humans and the ecosystems on which they depend. One of the things we've highlighted is the tremendous threat that this really poses to human civilization, and I know it will look very majestic, but for human civilization, said Peter Stoett, professor at Ontario Technical University, who helped lead a group of scientists. About 7 dozen experts were involved in the writing of the report. He added that the cost estimate is extremely cautious. The spread plants and animals across continents is one of main causes Earth's ongoing biodiversity crisis. This is extinction event equivalent to asteroid that killed dinosaurs. Invasive species play a role in 60% of extinctions. According to the report, humanity faces profound risks as harmful invasive species emerge multiply, as pests threaten to eat crops and spread mosquito-borne other diseases. It's normal for species to move, said Aníbal Pauchard, a professor at University of Concepción in Chile, who heads the group behind report with Stoett. But he added that what is unprecedented is the present era, when plants and animals are crossing great barriers between continents. It's not normal for a species to cross the Atlantic, he said. It's not normal for him to go from Australia to Chile. The report, which took more than 4 years to prepare, is endorsed by the Intergovernmental Science Policy Platform on Biodiversity and Ecosystem Services, a 140-plus nation body that provides policymakers with scientific assessments to help conserve and prevent Earth biodiversity. Being written. Extinctions. A summary of the findings was approved in Germany over the weekend and published Monday. All episodes are scheduled to air later this year. The organization concluded that threat from invasive species is underappreciated, underestimated, and often not recognized. Only about 1/6 of the world's nations had laws or regulations in books for invasive plants and animals. With the introduction of an unprecedented rate new species per year, the problem is expected to get worse before it gets better. The most common invasive animal, according to the report, is the black rat, which spreads by hoarding on ships and rushe.